problem in trucking is trying to quote spot market loads well. In Alvys, we have solved this problem by giving you all of the data you need to make that decision instantaneously. So what happens with spot market loads is that there are so many variables to consider. And if you're having to pull that data from a bunch of different places, it's going to slow you down. So you might actually miss that load altogether because it takes you too long, or because you're trying to move too fast, your team or you may quote the load poorly and then you lose your margin. So with Alvys, we're bringing together data that helps you make a quick decision, like the historical rates in Alvys, third-party information, the historic and current load volume at the lane level, and also the supply of trucks at each lane. So you can see all of these different variables at one time so that you and the team can quote these loads really well and ensure the margin that you need. So it's saving you time, allowing you to make better decisions so that you can improve your margins and overall book better loads more quickly.